Hi guys, if you want to set print a screen button to open a snipping tool in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To make the print screen key, open the snipping tool. First of all, right click on the start button and then go to settings and then go to accessibility, and under the accessibility settings, scroll down and from the interaction section, click on keyboard and then again scroll down, and from the on screen keyboard, access keys and print screen section, turn on the option use the print screen key to open a screen capture. Simply turn it on, and once you turn on this option, from now on whenever you press the print screen key on your keyboard, it will launch the snipping tool and allow you to select and capture screenshots using its features. So now simply close the settings window and then press the print screen key on your keyboard, and you can see the snipping tool is opening as you press the print screen key. And now from here you can capture any type of screenshots you want. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily set print screen shortcut key to open a snipping tool in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.